A very good evening and welcome to BCN News. Concerns have been raised by registered gun owners over the increase in ammunition costs. A box of ammunition, which contains 25 cartridges, has increased from the price of $25 to $50. Hunters on the island say the box of bullets are too expensive now and believe the increase in price is not necessary when the bullets were bought 6 years ago and have been stored at the police department. The increase in price has been decided by Cabinet. BCN News also asked the Minister for Natural Resources on the reasons for the increase in price.
We didn't think that $50 is a huge cost because $25 has been the normal price since quite a few years. And as you all know that this time there is I wouldn't say such a struggle or challenge in regards to our budget, but I think it's time that we review the cost because it has been quite low. But that's not to say that the cost will not change. So this is we are trying to explore the options of these costs. Obviously, some of the costs like that of the firearms to register is very, very low as well. But in regards to the ammunition, this is a decision by Cabinet to increase the cost. But that's not to say that it would not be reviewed in the next season or see how we go. And of course, the ammunition that has been stored has been with the police station for 4 to 5 years. As I said, we are going to be looking at the efficiency of these ammunitions, and we'll go from there.
6 commissioners of the High Court of Niue have been sworn in. They are Tutuli Heka, Florence Maureen Vilitama Melekitama, Tom Tamatoa Misikia, Mine Malingi Pulu, Deve Kolose Taalangi, and Becky's Christmas Tawasi. The presentation of oaths and warrants of appointment were handed to the commissioners by the Speaker of Parliament, Hima Douglas. The Land Commissioner's Bench Book and Laws were presented by the Minister for Social Services, Saauni Tongatule, while the Judicial Code of Conduct was presented by the Commissioner of the Niue High Court, Desmond Hipa. The swearing-in ceremony for the Commissioners of the High Court of Niue was held at the Public Service Commission Conference Room last Thursday. The Chief Electoral Officer, Darren Tohovaka, has declared the candidates to be duly elected to the seat of Village Council members for these respective village councils. Tongia Hiki Puheke of Tamakautonga, Jody Laufoli of Avasele, Rhonda Siakia of Lakepa, and Jean Pulefolau of Mutalau. Every candidate has the right to withdraw their name from the elections. A candidate who wishes to withdraw his or her nomination must sign and deliver a paper in Form 7 to the Chief Electoral Officer no later than 7 days before polling day. The last day for delivering the notice to withdraw a candidate's nomination is Thursday, 20th August before 4 p.m. A total of 4,273 arrivals in the country were recorded for the period 1st July to the 30th of September last year. A total of 4,256 people departed during this period. Total visitors were 3,758. Of these, 3,695 were returning visitors. Niueans were 482, while non-Niueans 3,276. 2 visitors became residents. The total returning residents were 515, while the total departing residents 561. The average total tourist earning, excluding cruise ships, was $3,432. Niuean visitors $370, while non-Niuean visitors $3,602. The new certificate courses being offered by India Niue Center of Excellence for Information Technology, located at the USP Niue campus, will be launched next Monday, 24th August. 4 computer courses have been endorsed and approved by the Public Service Commission to be conducted throughout this year and next year. The duration per course will range from 2 to 3 months. These courses have been selected from the choices indicated by 30 public servants who completed an online survey earlier this year. The facility is funded by the Government of India. Registration for these courses are now open and will close this Thursday, 20th August, for the first group of public servants. And that's ABCN News for tonight. Thank you for joining us. Have a safe evening.